So the first case is when three sides are given and we need to draw a triangle. Okay, so how do we draw a triangle when three sides are given? So I will tentatively show you that let's say this is a ruler. Okay, on the ruler I will just take 6 centimeter length. Okay, I am taking all tentative values, but yeah, you'll understand how we have to do the construction. So AB is 6 centimeter. Now let's say I have another side AC, which is 7 centimeter. Okay, so for that what I will do, I'll take the ruler, I'll take compass, and I will take the radius of 7 centimeter on the compass, and that radius of 7 centimeter from A, we have to mark it somewhere over here. Okay, now this will be marked in such a way so that from the other one, when we will repeat the process, it will just intersect that arc. Okay, now from here, if I can see that tentatively, I will take the next side BC as, for example, we can take 7 centimeter only. Okay, it can be any, procedure remains the same. So if it is 7 centimeter, then most probably it should intersect somewhere in this area. I will repeat the process by putting the compass at B and then intersecting the previous arc, and it got intersected over there. This is my point C. Now finally I have to just join AC and BC to get the answer. So B and C will be joined, A and C will be joined, and this is how our triangle is created when three sides are given. I have just taken easy sides. There can be any three different sides also. It really doesn't matter. But the process, what we have seen over here, it will remain the same.